Bukod sa pamilya Go, kumpirmado na rin nakakuha lang ng Philippine birth certificate si Tony Yang, kahit Chinese national talaga. Inusisa yan sa Senado, gayon din ang mga negosyong may kinalaman umano sa Pogo. Nakatutok si Mav Gonzalez.
Isa siyang Chinese national pero may Philippine birth certificate. Hindi na itinanggihan sa Senado ni Tony Yang, kapatid ni dating Presidential Economic Advisor Michael Yang na idinadawit ngayon sa Pogo. Kwento pa niya sa tulong ng translator, 1998 siya unang pumunta sa Pilipinas nang hikayatin ng lolong magnegosyo rito. Hindi umano siya marunong magtagalog o Ingles.
Saan kayo pinanganak?
I was born in China in Futian.
How do you spell that?
Futian, and that means in Fukien province.
Place of birth, Misamis Oriental. You just told us pinanganak kayo sa Xinjiang, sa Fukien province. So, a lie on the birth certificate, isa pang patunay na irregular yung birth certificate nyo.
My grandfather who helped me come up with this birth certificate, and I'm not sure, maybe he did this for the convenience of the business here.
Yang Jianxin ang pangalan niya sa Alien Certificate of Registration, pero Antonio Maestrado Lim ang pangalan sa driver's license, tin at gun permit.
Before, I had transaction with a Pogo company for renting out a condo unit for them. The name that I had a transaction with is Chiu Shui.
Tinanong sa kanya ni Senadora Risa Hontiveros ang Pogo service provider na Oro One kung saan nakalistang presidente si Yang.
The reason why my name was in Oro One is because during that time I rented out the place to them.
Nausisa rin siya kaugnay ng Philippine Sanjian Steel.
It's supposed to be a steel plant, pero mukhang may Pogo-like facilities din sa loob. May dorm-style facilities, may restricted area na bawal kaming mga Pilipino. Merong pang torturer, may tagapalo. Ilan po ba ang foreign nationals sa facility niyong ito ng Sanja?
During their heyday, we're looking at around 2,000 Pogo workers. But ngayon, ma'am, mga less than 300 na lang po. Intel report po na nakarating sa akin. And of course, yung mga documents na nakita namin, it all points to a Pogo operation.
Tinanong din kung malapit si Yang kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, lalo't presidential advisor nito ang kapatid niya.
I am not very close with the former President Duterte, and I don't have contact with him.
Paano nyo nakilala si dating presidente?
Former President Duterte, he went to Cagayan, and we had a meeting with the Chinese business groups, and that's why we were able to meet him, and we had a photo with him.
Ipinakita rin ni Hontiveros ang larawan ni Yang, kasama si dating PNP Chief Benjamin Acorda at iba pang police official.
We get to meet these officials, especially when we need some help for the safety of our community.
Matagal na po ba kayo magkakilala ng dating Chief PNP? Kasi sa picture na ito, medyo mas lumang picture. Regional director pa siya.
Yes, when he was still in Cagayan as the director, we know each other.
Sa isa pang larawan, kasama ni Acorda si Sual Pangasinan Mayor Dong Kalugay na umunoy karelasyon at business partner ni Alice Go.
Namasyal po kami dyan, Your Honor, dahil siya po ay dating chief of police po ng Sual.
Nasa larawan din ang kapatid ni Alice na si Wesley Go.
Gusto rin po niyang makita po yung pinakamataas po na sa PNP po.
Bakit niya gustong makita yung Chief PNP?
Wala po, ganun lang po, Your Honor, sumama lang po.
Wala po akong idea, ngayon ko lang po nakita yung picture.
Hindi imbitado sa pagdinig si Acorda at hinihinga namin siya ng pahayag kaugnay nito. Binasa naman ni Senador Bato de la Rosa ang pahayag nilang mga dating chief ng Philippine National Police. Dapat daw pangalanan ni PAGCOR Senior Vice President Retired General Raul Villanueva ang binanggit niyang hepe ng PNP na tumulong umano sa pagtakas ni Go.
It is incumbent upon himself to identify this rogue former PNP chief to clear the names of those not involved.
Unconfirmed information is considered not an intelligence data, not actionable at all. Therefore, it is not yet valid. I don't want to put malice on our chief PNPs. I'm sorry.
Dumalo rin sa pagdinig si Zhao Shouqi na sangkot umano sa pogo sa Lapu-Lapu, Cebu at nagtangkang manuhol ng 1 milyong piso sa mga taga-PAOK.
Because my wife, her body is weak, I wanted to have a separate arrangement for my wife and my granddaughter.
There is no other way to interpret that, ma'am, because they attempted 3 times.
Mav Gonzalez, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.